Good morning everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to the Fiesole Hills in Tuscany. Fiesole is one of the most renowned locations on the hills overlooking the city of Florence. It is characterized by peaceful atmospheres, beautiful nature views and spectacular landscape overlooking the city. The property we are about to visit together is an historical apartment located on the piano nobile floor of a beautiful 14th century villa that you see right behind me. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. The villa was built between the 14th and 15th centuries on top of a small hill in Fiesole, commissioned by the Gualtierotti family. The villa passed through the hands of the most illustrious families for more than 3 centuries. In the 15th century, the owners were the Nazi family. The building then passed in the 17th century first to the Durazzini and then to the Pistolesi. The villa still shows the 16th century appearance on the lower levels, while on the last level, where you can notice the beautiful loggia on top, that part was actually added between the 1910 and the 1913 from the then owners that decided to further raise the villa. Nowadays, the villa is divided into 5 units. The apartment we are visiting today has been completely renovated and is located on the main floor of the building. The condominium areas of the villa are made up of an elegant 7,000 square meters English park, which are about 75,300 square feet. It is enriched and embellished by centuries-old plants like these beautiful cypress trees and Atlas cedars. The property has 2 parking spaces in the parking area of the villa. Then, in the beautiful antique limonaia of the villa, there is a storage space assigned to each of the units. The apartment is 255 square meters, so about 2,750 square feet. Located on the first floor of the villa, featuring a lift and a wonderfully decorated monumental staircase. Welcome inside the apartment. The property straight away opens into this generous, large reception space. From here, we can already appreciate the height of the ceiling with the coffered ceiling, wooden details, and these beautiful decorations all around. As soon as you walk in, you can leave your coat in the comfortable wardrobe space on your left side. Then, as we keep going, we find over here 3 of the bedrooms of the apartment. There are 4 in total, with the 4th one that you can access through this mezzanine level over here, together with the laundry. Before we see all of this, let me show you the beautiful living areas through this arch. The property is historical but has been restored with modern finishes and a modern, comfortable layout. We have beautiful wooden floors, bright, large spaces. Right by the entrance we find a comfortable washroom finished with marble details, and on my left side we keep going into the TV room. Double height ceilings, lots of natural light, and we have the mezzanine level I will show you later, overlooking this room. On my right side we find this large beautiful wooden custom-fitted piece of furnishing that is used to keep the TV and as well as a library. This is a perfect, cozy, relaxing spot to sit in peace and enjoy a book. The apartment keeps going and opens into this large dining space. It is beautiful, full of natural light. Here as well we find the double height ceilings, arched and full of decorations. There is the mezzanine level, taking as well all the light from this window and overlooking this space. This room is close by, actually right beside, to the Manorial living area we're about to see. But first, let's have a look at the kitchen. Generous kitchen space, beginning with this cozy sitting area by the entrance for a quick lunch. Then we have this working top over here made out of wood, and then the kitchen on this side. The floor switches from wood to marble, and we can see how the kitchen is fully equipped, finished with wood and marble details. This large window overlooking the city, nature, and the beautiful park of the villa. Right next to the dining room, we arrive into the Manorial living area. Here we definitely notice how we are inside a 14th century villa. It has some stunning Manorial room proportions with double height ceilings, wonderfully decorated. The frescoes are in excellent condition and they are for sure a great conversation topic. Frescoes on the ceilings and just as beautiful decorations on this parquet floor wood right here. It is intrinsic and definitely embellishes this room even further. We are on the left corner of the villa. Therefore, we have exposure on two sides, filling up this room with natural light. On my right side, we find a working stone fireplace to make your winter Italian afternoons even cozier. Back to the entrance room, let's go and discover the mezzanine level. The mezzanine level opens up with this large reception space that has on one end a laundry area and bathroom, while on the other end, one of the bedrooms. The bedroom, together with this space, enjoys this beautiful arched ceiling made out of terracotta. Both of these rooms overlook the TV room and the dining space. From the entrance room on the right side, we get to the rest of the bedrooms. They are 4 in total. We have already seen one on the mezzanine level, and now we will see the rest. Let's begin on my right side with the first bathroom with bathtub, which would be serving this bedroom over here. This right now is used as an office space or studio, and it has a mezzanine level, but it could be as well converted into a bedroom. Right next to the studio, we have the third bedroom. This room is already set up and wired to become potentially the master bathroom. In this case, it would be larger and more spacious. Then the TV room, that is right now, could become the third bedroom instead. This could be an option to obtain a larger master bathroom. Let me now show you the master bedroom. The primary bedroom is characterized by these 2 large columns by the entrance that open into this large room. Double height ceilings, full of natural light. It begins with its ensuite bathroom and over here a wardrobe space. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. I loved this home. I think it is perfect for somebody that would like the sweet spot between living inside a comfortable manorial apartment, at the same time living inside a beautiful villa. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Let me know what you think in the comment section below and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!